Today's video, we're gonna make a Southwest quinoa salad. I love making this towards the middle of the end of the week when I have a bunch of Southwest ingredients from taco night or quesadilla, so it's the perfect way to reuse them and prep ahead. Let's make it. In this bowl, I have cooked quinoa. It looks like a lot, it's just 1 cup of raw quinoa, and then I cooked it in the pot to let it cool down, and now it's in my bowl. You can prep it ahead of time, super easy. And then to the quinoa, I'm gonna add some black beans. This is just 1 can of black beans that I've rinsed and drained, so here they are. To that, we are adding some corn. You can use 1 can of corn, rinse it and drain it, or like me, 1 cup from the freezer. So that's an easy shortcut for you. You can add some green onions. I have some red onions left over from this amazing salad sandwich I made, and I'll link that below for you because you're gonna wanna make that sandwich. But I'm simply gonna chop some onions. If you don't like onions, omit them, or use green onions, a shallot, you know, anything goes. What I love about reusing ingredients and recipes like this that I can prep ahead is that I always have a healthy lunch option available in the refrigerator, and it makes it a breeze to pack. So to the bowl, I'm then going to add some cilantro. I went ahead, chopped it up, and to this, I'm also going to add some salsa, any salsa that you like or buy, whether it's chunky, smooth, restaurant style, anything goes. But I like tomatoes a lot, and it's summer when I'm filming this video, so I'm also going to use a tomato that I've made from another video, a sandwich. So I'm gonna simply dice it up and add it into my bowl. One thing about having a plan and lots of recipes available is that your food never goes to waste. So if you're just eating the same lunches every day, you may want to check in the description box. I've got a link for my 101 Lunch Ideas ebook that you can download right away and reuse ingredients, turn them into bento lunches, thermos lunches, wraps, sandwiches, and so many things. Also, below this video, you're going to find the ingredients and measurements to this recipe. So don't fret, just watch how it's made and grab them after the video. To my bowl, I'm adding some cumin and some chili powder. Gonna give everything a quick toss. Now at this point, you can place a lid on your quinoa salad and refrigerate it for up to 4 days, or fill your lunch container with quinoa salad. It's super easy to transport and it stays fresh all day in the lunchbox. If you got an avocado laying around, you can also dice up some avocado and place it on top of your salad, no extra charge. Remember to grab the ingredients right below this video. And while you're down there, hit that red subscribe button so you and I get to cook together a few times a week. See you next time.